You're looking at a bloke who about 7 or 8 years ago was terrified of computers, which is hysterical given that we've got this YouTube channel here now. But I was thinking a bit about it the other day and thinking about the journey that I'd definitely been on, and I'm sure some of you have been on with us with this channel. And what a lovely thing it is, what a lovely relationships I've had with people and communications I've had with people, and support, a lot of support through times that have been challenging. The reason I'm saying all of this is because we've got this new feature, and it's where people can become a member. Some of you might have noticed that there's a new button next to the red subscribe button where you can join. By clicking on that button, that join button, you can become a member. When you become a member, there are a whole pile of perks that come with that, and there are different levels of sponsorship or membership, and those different levels will give you different perks. And they start off with things like, you know, specific emojis and members only content, and they go up. You get access to instructional tutorials on our Explore Acrylic page website. And even on the top tier, we'll do live streaming, and we'll do Q&A and answer specific questions for people. For some of the tiers, or one of the tiers, you will have your name in the credits. There'll be a whole pile of bloopers, and trust me, there's a whole pile associated with this little bit of filming. If you become a member, you'll find all of those perks, or a lot of those perks, on that little community tab on our Explore Acrylics YouTube homepage. Whether you become a member of the channel or not will make no difference to what we do here on the channel. But I will say that if you do become a member, we do appreciate how hard you work for your money, and appreciate the fact that you're willing to share some of it with us. So we will devote as much time as we possibly can to making sure you get looked after. So in advance, I want to say thank you.